Listen to me. If you are retired, or you are getting ready to step into those golden years, you have worked too hard, and for too long, to let a single mistake steal your peace of mind or your hard-earned money. You are entering a phase of life where every single dollar counts, and protecting your nest egg is your number one priority. But right now, you might be looking at your computer screen or your smartphone, and you see something that makes your stomach drop. You see an email. And it says it is from a company called Paysend. And you are asking yourself, what is a Paysend email? I didn't sign up for this. I didn't send any money. What is going on here? I know the fear. It is a terrifying feeling when you think someone has gained access to your identity, or worse, your bank accounts. You wonder if you've been hacked, or if your hard-earned savings are flying across the globe to some stranger. Fear can paralyze you, or it can make you make a rash decision. I don't want you to be afraid. I want you to be smart, and I want you to be safe. So let's break this down. What exactly is Paysend? Paysend is a legitimate, international money transfer service. Think of it like Western Union, but digital. People use it all over the world to send money directly to bank accounts or smart cards in other countries, quickly and with low fees. If you have children or grandchildren living abroad, or if you regularly send money to family overseas, you might have signed up for this service yourself. If you did sign up for Paysend, then a Paysend email is simply their way of communicating with you. When you first create an account, they send you a verification email. They ask you to click a button to confirm your identity. That is standard practice to keep your account secure. If you are actively using the service, they will email you payment confirmations, real-time tracking updates, or notifications if a transfer was successful or if there was a glitch. They might even send you a message from their security team asking for a bank statement or a verification questionnaire if you are trying to increase the amount of money you want to send. All of that is normal, standard corporate behavior for a financial institution. But here is the problem. What if you have never heard of Paysend until today? What if you have absolutely no intention of sending money overseas, and yet, there it is, sitting in your inbox? There are two very distinct reasons why this happens, and you need to know how to handle both. The first reason is completely innocent. It is a simple human error. Someone out there, perhaps another retiree or someone with a name very similar to yours, made a typo when they were typing in their own email address during registration. If your email is john.smith@gmail.com, and they typed that in instead of john.smith1955@gmail.com, Paysend's automated system is going to send that confirmation email straight to you. In this scenario, no one has stolen your money. No one has broken into your computer. It is just a wrong number in a digital format. But the second reason is the one that should put you on high alert. It is a phishing scam. Scammers love to use the names of real financial companies like Paysend, PayPal, or big banks to scare you. They send a fake email that looks identical to a real corporate message, complete with the official logos and matching colors. And what do they say? They usually say something designed to panic you. Your transfer of $500 has been approved, or your account has been locked due to suspicious activity. Why do they do this? They are preying on your fear. They want you to panic so that you stop thinking clearly. They want you to think, oh my goodness, someone is stealing my money, I have to stop this right now. And right there in the email, they provide a convenient little link that says, click here to cancel this transaction or click here to dispute this charge. Hear me now, do not click that link. If you click that link, you are walking right into their trap. It will take you to a fake website that looks like a login screen, and the moment you type in your username, your password, or your bank details to fix the problem, you have just handed the keys to your financial castle straight to a criminal. So how do you protect yourself? What is your actionable takeaway today? If you get a Paysend email and you do not use Paysend, I want you to take a deep breath. Do not panic. Do not click any links inside that email, do not download any attachments, and do not reply to it. Instead, I want you to look closely at the sender's actual email address. Not just the name that shows up in bold, but the actual address behind it. True, legitimate support from Paysend will come from an address ending in at paysend.com. If you see a string of random letters, or if it says something like at paysendsecurityupdate.net, it is a fraud. If you want absolute peace of mind, open up a completely separate web browser. Do not use the email. Type in the official website yourself, paysend.com, go to their official help center and look for their actual contact methods. You can reach their legitimate customer support team at help@paysend.com. If you are truly worried that someone used your email address or your identity, you can send a clean, separate email directly to that address and say, "I received a registration notice, but I do not have an account. Please check your system." Let them handle it safely. Your money is your security. It represents your freedom and your future. Do not let fear dictate your actions when an unexpected email appears. Stay calm, verify everything independently, never click the panic link, and you will keep your money safe and secure.